Hi there, I'm Kevin with Ristretto Apps, and today I'm going to introduce you to our plugin Gravity Forms Direct Coupon Links, as well as show you basically how to set it up. It's a pretty straightforward process, and I think for those of you who are looking for a simple way to populate a Gravity Forms coupon field using a URL parameter, or dynamic population is what Gravity Forms calls it, this plugin will be super helpful for you. This is why we made this plugin. We made this because we had our own desire to be able to do this, to be able to send customers a direct link that automatically has the coupon built into the URL so that they don't have to go and copy and paste that themselves into the coupon field. And so I'm going to show you a couple different ways of setting it up so that it's as easy as possible for your customers that you send links to be able to come and check out using the coupon that you give them. And this is really nice for a lot of folks that use Gravity Forms for their checkout. So let's get into it. This is the information page. And basically what we're going to do is take advantage of, again, a URL argument here, a parameter basically. This is using a feature called Gravity Forms Dynamic Population, and you can learn more about Gravity Forms Dynamic Population just by typing that into Google, and there's a whole much more thorough page on this. Currently, Gravity Forms doesn't support the population of the coupon field, and this is why we decided to add this functionality in our plugin and provide it to everybody else who was interested. Alright, so we're going to get into this. Right now I'm just installing the plugin. I've chosen my file after downloading the Gravity Forms Populate Coupons plugin. I'm going to install it, just as I would any other WordPress plugin. Okay, great. Activate the plugin. Alright, now that it's activated and installed, I'm going to go to my form. I'm going to find my form that I want to use this with. So here we have a simple checkout form. We have a product, which is about $100, and let's disable the quantity. Well, let's disable the quantity field just so that it automatically sets at $100. We have a date field. We have a name of the customer. We have an apply coupon field, and we have a total. Right now, normally you'd also have a credit card field down here, or if you're using PayPal, you'd have PayPal set up through the PayPal add-on. So just again, make sure that if you're new to Gravity Forms, you are utilizing one of their payment add-ons. We use Stripe here. You could use Stripe, or you can use PayPal. This is the standard PayPal add-on, or PayPal Pro. One of these, you could also use authorize.net, so you can choose which one you've decided to use. I'm not going to add a payment processor to this form just because it's really not the purpose of this plugin. The plugin is, I just want to demo to you the change in the price that happens. So the first step is obviously I want to set up a coupon. So please make sure, again, if we're talking about Gravity Forms add-ons, and there's a lot of amazing add-ons, that you have also installed and enabled the Gravity Forms coupon add-on. So this is a requirement of this plugin. Make sure you've done that. Now I'm going to go into my coupon area here after I've installed the coupon add-on, and I've already created one. Let's just go and take a look at it. This is I have to choose the form. So I've already chosen the correct form, the one I'm working on. You can choose any of the other forms though. Then I'm going to create a name for it. I'm going to just call this 25 off, and I'm going to have the code be the same name, but I could also name this something else. It could be whatever I want it to be. And then the coupon code, this is what I would normally ask the customer to copy and paste in. Let's make it a flat discount, but you can also do a percentage. Start date, end date. I'm going to leave all these blank, but you can change these to your desire. It's pretty flexible, and any of these settings will be fine. And now we've created our coupon. if we preview this form, we have $100 product, we have $100 total. I can put my name in here. Oops. Can't spell today. I can put my name in here. And then I'm going to put my, let's do it again. I'm going to put my name in here. And then I'm going to put the name of the coupon, which is 25 off. Then I normally have to click apply. The customer has to click apply. And then you can see that it applied that $75. But of course, that's not what we're looking for, right? We were looking for a way to have this done automatically by giving them a link. So actually, let's make sure that we have a good link to give them, our customers, that is. And here's a page I created called Coupon. This is basically an example page that I can use just for this purpose. I put the same, I've embedded the gravity form that I want to on this page, and that just allows us to have a nice clean link. So let us go here and let's see if that works. Yeah, so it does work. I'm going to put my name here again, and I'm going to put my 25 off. I can see it does work. Okay, great. But again, I want this to be in the URL. And so what I need to do is set up, after installing our plugin, what I need to do is go down to this feed here. So in your form, you're going to find the settings, and you're going to go down to a setting called Populate Coupon. So let's go do that now. I haven't created any feeds, so let's create one. I need to create a new feed. And in this feed, I'm basically going to say, what is the coupon field here? This is the first requirement, is that I have to name the coupon field where it asks for it. And it happens to be named coupon. Then the parameter name. Now this is important because, as I mentioned earlier, we're using a dynamic population format that Gravity Forms usually supports for fields, where at the end of your URL you're going to create a parameter. And then the value is going to be the value of the actual code of your coupon. So we'll just show you what I mean by that. What I want to do is basically name my parameter whatever I want it to be. In this case, just for simplicity, let's just write coupon. I can name it something else. I could say my coupon, I could say your coupon. It doesn't matter what you name this as long as you remember what it is. So let's just, for simplicity's sake, name it my coupon. I'm going to save that. Now we're ready to go. And when I go back to this form, what this means here is normally in a field you'll see an option for dynamic population. And in this case, if I wanted to populate this field name with my argument, of course I would do my coupon, right? But there's not any option for coupon fields. But by doing it via the populate coupons feed, which I just showed you, we'll have the same result. And so again, using this format here, I'm just going to copy and paste this. And so using this format here, I'm just going to copy and paste this end part. We have the domain, the page, and the parameters afterwards. Let's go to my URL here. We have the URL site, the domain, the coupon page, the page I happen to be on, and then we're going to add this part. Now this part I'm going to need to redo, and remember I named my parameter in the feed my coupon, so I just have to do that up here, my coupon. And then the value, of course, is the coupon itself. Now remember here, I'll delete this for now. Remember that we put the coupon code as 25 off. So again, I just go up here and the value is just replaced by 25% off. Now I'm just going to copy this link because this is the one I want to send to my customer. And basically, if I send this to my customer, what should happen is that the coupon is automatically applied. Now let's just check that with a brand new link. This is an incognito window I've created here. meaning that I'm not logged into my site, it doesn't remember anything. But let's just see what happens if I do that. Well, it works. It automatically applies the coupon as expected. Now, one little neat thing is that maybe I don't want them to know that I actually applied a coupon for them. Maybe I don't want them to see that this happened. Well, that's a very simple thing. All I can do is go into the form. Let's go back to our form. And let's just hide this field and see what happens. So I'm going to go back to my incognito window. Normally, remember, it's $100 normally. And let's actually just do it from scratch again. I'm going to create a brand new incognito field, window, and I'm going to paste that magic link and see what happens. Yes, so you can see now that without them even knowing what happened, they started with a $100 product, they ended with a $75 total, because in the background that coupon is being applied, whether they know it is or not. Now if I take this argument out and go back to normal, well, it's back to $100. So that's the plugin in a nutshell. That's how to set it up. It's a really handy plugin, I feel, and I hope a lot of you guys find that valuable. If you have any questions, as always, let us know. Just visit us at ristrettoapps.com, and you can always leave us a message where we, right here, get support. You can always leave us a message or ask any questions. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.